Welcome to Cloud AI. In this video we look at 4 solutions Bitcoin could potentially offer to the current financial system. 1. Bitcoin is often referred to as trustless because it operates on a decentralized system, which means that it does not require intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions to validate transactions. Instead, it uses cryptographic techniques to ensure that all transactions are secure and that no one can manipulate the system. 2. Bitcoin is deflationary because its supply is limited to 21 million coins, and the rate at which new coins are created decreases over time. This scarcity makes Bitcoin a popular investment choice for those seeking to preserve their wealth against inflation. 3. Bitcoin consumes less energy than the traditional banking system. Furthermore, Bitcoin incentivizes miners to relocate to areas where there is cheap renewable energy. The current petrodollar fiat system is secured by military force. It uses orders of magnitude more energy than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is secured by just math, computers and electricity. 4. Bitcoin is anti-war. The fiat system, by allowing governments to print money and finance wars without the need for direct taxation or public approval, has made it easier for governments to engage in conflicts and wars. There is a correlation between the extreme levels of warfare experienced in the 20th century and the adoption of the fiat system of currency by all of the major Western powers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.